Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatible device and battery state. If the pencil reads under 20%, plug it in. Once plugged, watch the charging indicator on your iPad or iPhone. Make sure the USB-C plug is fully seated. Next, open settings to Bluetooth and leave the page visible so pairing prompts appear. You should also clear dust from the connector and use a short cable or adapter for stable connection. This avoids intermittent contacts and speeds the next steps. Once done with charging, trigger pairing by briefly disconnecting and reconnecting the pencil, the device sends a pairing request. You will see a connect button in Bluetooth or a prompt on screen. Tap it. Make sure you allow input and Apple Pencil permissions if asked. After pairing, open a Notes or Drawing app and test stroke, tilt, and pressure. Calibrate sensitivity in app settings so you get consistent lines. If the pencil behaves laggy, close background apps and retry pairing to reduce interference. You finish by verifying all gestures and double tap. If supported, work as expected, and by adjusting pressure curves for natural feel. Make sure the tip is snug and not cross-threaded. A loose tip causes wobble. For maintenance, rotate or replace tips periodically. If things go wrong, reboot your device, turn Bluetooth off and on, and check the USB-C connector for lint. If pairing still fails, unpair and repair the pencil. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.